In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when you get the error, cannot use the content, to use the content, purchase it from the PlayStation Store on PS4. So oftentimes you'll see a locked icon on the game you're trying to use, which either means you need to restore the licenses on your PlayStation Network account, or it's owned on a different account. So let's first go to Settings and go to Account Management. Then you want to scroll down and select Restore Licenses, and select Restore. Then you just want to wait for this process to finish. So after the licenses are restored, you can now go back to the PS4 home screen, and then if there's still a lock icon on the game and you're still getting the error, this means that the content was in fact purchased on a different PlayStation Network account. So press and hold the PlayStation button on your controller, and from Power scroll over and select Switch User. Then you want to try signing into different PlayStation Network accounts on your PS4, and then once you find the account that owns the game, the lock icon should disappear and you should be able to play it. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.